Thanks for checking another one of our videos. This is going to be just a real quick little overview, show and tell this unit. This is a Stafix M0.5. Pretty small little unit power-wise, but we fixed it, made it a little stronger, and got it going again for the customer. So, and this thing's got to be 25 years old, give or take. Anyways, got it going again for the customer. They don't make any new parts for this thing, but we are able to retrofit a different transformer into it and replace the capacitor with a new one, and things working like a dream again. So if you got an old fence charger, just because someone tells you, oh, I can't get parts for those things, why don't you say, all right, thanks, let me have it back, and then send it here to a place like us, see if we can get you going again. All right, well, this is a little AC powered unit. We got a new transformer installed, got a new capacitor installed. The board itself was fine. We also replaced the light bulb here on the output side. It was kind of burned out. But it's got a bigger capacitor in there than it did before. Clicking along here, got a little light down there. See it not flashing down there? It corresponds with this pulse light, they call it. So every time the light flashes, that's when the shock is being delivered. It means you got a good, clean enough fence that it's able to run it. If this light stops flashing, then either there's a bad short in the fence, or you've got something wrong with the unit, or the bulb's been burned out. So we'll put a tester across there. We're getting almost just about 8,000 volts, just a little bit less than 8,000 volts coming out of it every pulse. And it is now a stronger unit. The transformer that we installed is made for units that are bigger than this one, power-wise, joule-wise. So it's a pretty neat little unit. Speedrite made a unit like this, similar to as a Speedrite Panther 2400 or whatever, but this is a Stafix variation, but it's a smaller joule unit, so less crap on the board to make it a lower joule unit. But got going again. It's an old school unit. Like working on these old ones. True Test and Stafix, Speedrite, they don't offer many parts for these things, but they'd rather sell you a new one. But man, these old ones, you put a little money in them, man, they run for years and years without much trouble. They've got kind of old school parts to them. Just run for forever, it seems like, until something just finally wears out. Or lightning gets a hold of them, one of the two. But that's really basically it for this video. We're going to close it up, call the customer up, get a quote on it. I'm sure they'll fix it. Customer gets a 1.5 year warranty on the repairs on this one. Lightning is part of our warranty on our repairs that we do. And until next time, we'll see you guys later on. If you got any questions, ask them below. Like the video, subscribe, tell your friends about us. Till next time, see you later on.